Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's London. If you're new here, I do lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. If you're interested in things like that, hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today's video is how to get a 90s inspired blowout using a few tools, and this will be on my hair extensions. I feel like this is super easy when I want to look very put together, very luxe and very cute. This is my go-to style, so I'm going to show you guys how I get that look. Let's get right into it. So the items that you would need is a blow dryer. I find these type of blow dryers with the brush attached to it very easy to use. You can use a regular blow dryer and a brush. I'm also using this brush to detangle. It's a simple powder brush. And then I have these velcro rollers that I will be using also. This Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is supposed to make your hair less frizzy, very shiny and silky, and just a clip to section out my hair. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna section out my hair into two portions. So I want to do this very easy. This is something that I like to do within 15 minutes. The whole style should take me 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna section my hair into two. And your sections don't have to be super clean, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it clean and proper. So I'll leave my extension details in the description box below. And I'm just gonna detangle. And I'm gonna take this Wow Dream Coat and spray it in the high setting on this blow dryer. This is the Infinity Pro by Conair. Before I begin, I blow dry my hair going upwards because I want my curls to be flipped. Yeah, that makes sense. I want my curls to be flipped upwards. So. This is what we have. We have a little bouncy type of curl. If you guys can see, it's very bouncy. So before it cools down, I'm going to apply a velcro roller, and I'm going to roll the hair going upwards because again I want it to be flipped. And with these rollers, you don't need a clip, allegedly, but I'm not very skilled with Velcro rollers. But I guess it just sits in your hair. So let's do this other side, and we're gonna do the same thing. Bouncy. I'm excited for this blowout because my hair really needed it. So now we have these two. Again, spray this. remain the same. So let's start off by pulling these bottom rollers out. And a tip that I just learned is to pull and twist so it doesn't get stuck in your hair. Then we're gonna do that for this one. Do that for this side as well. So I'm gonna take this argan oil, just a pump of it, and I'm gonna put it all throughout my fingertips, and I'm gonna comb my blowout out with my hands. Hopefully I don't mess up anything. I'm just doing it from one side. This side. Cute. We did a good job, ladies, but I'm impressed. I love how bouncy and voluminous. It reminds me of Victoria's Secret models back in like 2000 and whatever. This is definitely super cute, and you definitely need rollers just to keep the curls in place, because I can see my front bangs are going to drop first before the areas that I curled, before the areas that I used the rollers on. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.